Thanks for watching, everyone. Yeah, I planned to not read aloud my newsletter anymore because then nobody subscribes, but I need to figure out a way, but not today. So this week I'm still going through it. And Klaus Stille and me, we were in Venice because I helped Klaus with the design of the graphic identity for the Hong Kong pavilion at the Venice Biennale. I mostly just did help out with the website a bit, and yeah. So here you can see the. No, I'm not explaining. You have to read the newsletter, and also, Paula Kühn and me, we did a 4 day workshop this week for a major global fashion platform, which we sadly can't say. It's top secret. And also, if you want to know more, read the newsletter. And there's other stuff. I'm planning an online shop to sell my artwork, like limited edition things. I'm planning this since years, and now I think I give it another go. And the other things I'm planning, you can also read in the newsletter. Yeah. So thanks so much, and have a look online on the website, subscribe, and all that.